Start a running stitch by bringing your needle up through the back of your work and then moving one stitch length forward back to the back of your hoop, and then go one more stitch length forward, bring the needle back up, and then another stitch length forward and bring the needle back down. And you want the space between your stitches to be similar to the length of your actual stitches. And get it as close as you can. It's not going to be perfect, but that's what makes hand embroidery look so unique, is that it wasn't done by a machine. And just continue along the line until you get to the end. And don't be afraid to play around with it and vary the length of your stitches. If you find that you're getting to the end of the line that you need to be in, if there's a tiny bit of smaller space here than there are in between all the other ones, then that's okay. And obviously mine is not a perfect line, but it doesn't need to be, and you can always undo your stitches if it needs to be more of a perfect line. And that is how you do a simple running stitch.